Your program just crashed. A user typed letters where you expected a number, and Python threw an error. Today you learn how to catch that before it blows up. Let us see what a crash looks like before we fix it. We call int on whatever the user types. If they type a real number, this works perfectly. But what if they type something else? The user typed hello. Python raised a value error. And the program died. No nice message. No recovery. Just a raw traceback dumped to the screen. The try except block is Python's safety net for exactly this situation. The try block holds the code that might fail. Python watches it carefully. We name the specific exception type we expect. Value error means the value had the wrong format. If that error fires, Python jumps here and runs our friendly message instead of crashing. If everything in the try block succeeds, the except block is skipped entirely. It only activates on failure. Now let us write the full fixed program. The try block contains both the conversion and the calculation. The except clause catches a value error specifically. Notice we do not write bare except with nothing after it. We always name the exception type. First run. The user types hello. Our handler catches it, prints a friendly message, and the program exits cleanly. Second run. They type 25. The try block succeeds. The except is skipped, and we get the right answer. You can capture the actual exception object to see what Python says went wrong. The variable e is created when the except clause fires. It lives only inside that except block. Its value is the error message Python generated. You can print it, log it, or check it to decide what to do next. We add as e after the exception name. Now we can include the original error message in our output. This is useful while debugging because you see exactly what Python objected to. Now the output shows both our label and Python's original message. The user knows what went wrong without seeing a raw traceback. Always name the exact exception. Here is why bare except is dangerous. When you name the exception type, Python checks whether the error matches that exact type or a subtype. A matching exception is caught and handled. All other exceptions pass through and crash the program. Which is the correct behavior? Bare except catches every possible exception. A typo in variable name. A memory error. A keyboard interrupt. All silently swallowed. Always name the specific exception. If you need to catch multiple types, list them in a tuple or write separate except clauses. You now know how to stop a crash before it reaches your user. But there are dozens of exception types in Python, and they form a family tree. In the next episode you will see how that tree works and why catching a parent class catches all its children.